is what it is, that's some 5-star dick. She a big old freak, it's a must that I hit. It's a hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah. No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit.
Look, handle me? Who gon' handle me? Thinking he's a player, he's a member on the team. He put in all that work, he wanna be the MVP. I told him ain't no taming me, I love my niggas equally. Fucking 9 to 5 niggas with that superstar beat. Fuck the superstar nigga, now I got him far link. I called a Jake to get that nigga, I told him call, don't send no text. And don't you tell him you with me when they be asking where you at. I can't read your mind, gotta say that shit. Should I take your love, should I take that dick? Got a whole lot of options cause you know a bitch poppin'. I'm a high girl, so you know ain't shit stoppin'.
Going grocery shopping for nachos. We're gonna make nachos today. Like number 10, literally, what is happening? Literally just tried to turn my phone on, or turn my camera on like 4 times just now, and it kept saying the memory card was locked. Realized I did in fact lock it, so I just couldn't figure out how to unlock it. We are going on a boat today. I'm very sad that Drew can't make it. I'm also equally sad that my doggone swimsuit did not come in time like it said it would. It was supposed to come Thursday, then it was like it'll come Friday, and here we are on Saturday talking about it's out for delivery and I have to go. So there's that. But we're going on a boat. I have to run and get some chips for the boat, and it's for Keena's 30th birthday. She turns 30 next week, so she wanted to do a boat ride. I don't really do boats, you know, swimming, all that good stuff is important, and it's not a skill that I have yet learned. So God be with us. But we're gonna go get on a boat today, so I'll show you guys as much as I can about that, trying to capture as much material as possible this summer, just because I don't really have anything going on. Sorority life isn't really popping like that, so you guys are gonna get vlogs until I find new content for you guys. So hopefully you're still rocking with me, and thank you for rocking with me up until this point. We're gonna continue the good vibes, so that's where we are with that. I also need to get something to eat, so I need to go, but I will touch base with you guys once we get to the marina. We're going on a boat, guys. Hey!
Got it, bitch, bust it on the floor. Damn, I was thinking like 21.
That's what we going with.
We had to experience it so that we knew how great it was. Lisa got ass and titties out.
You wanna know what's a secret?
What?
It's called Black Girl Magic.
This is our new friend's boat. He has a slide on his boat too.
We're gonna get us a boat.
We're gonna get
5 years.
yeah. What's your name?
Wait.
Wayne. Wayne is gonna say hi to the vlog.
She's a vlogger.
Oh, no shit, really?
Yeah.
KelsTells. Follow her on YouTube.
Y'all need to go down the slide then.
Over. Thank you. Huh?
Black one?
No, I'm fully drunk.
I'm right there with you.
Thank you, Wayne.
Thank you, Kat.
Thank you. And Lisa has a margarita with salt on the rim and lime inside. How is it, Lisa? Amazing.
This is good. Me and Captain Wayne
Might do some things.
But he had a ring on his finger. So.
Does he? Aw, shit.
I saw it.
Yeah.
You learn as a single woman. That's what you gotta look for.
Yeah, that's the first thing.
I look for. The first thing, like, you
This
know.
is the first thing.
What your left hand look like.
What the left hand say? What the left hand do?
You gotta remember where that stick was at.
There's the birthday girl.
You was to give me something that I never had, something that you never. Oh my God, if you know, baby, you're keep blowing back. Make him say,
My jewelry just to go to the bodega. And I keep it with me just so that I'm shit my wrist game on cold. I don't do my cool prices to match with my toes. White on white, baby. I got that inch. It's a whole lot of money.
I have no idea what I'm doing with your camera, but okay. Am I recording? I love Kelsey!
So y'all show her some love. Y'all let her know what's up. We're going into a whole new decade, y'all. We 30. Hey, yeah. Go, Tina.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, I'm fine. I
That's
don't
okay.
Go back, like, ever. Because that was too, like, y'all don't even look that classy.
What is this hoe doing?
Wow.
Another birthday.
Such a fun
In the
one.
bag.
Oh my god.
Success. Those two hurting in the back, trying to look like.
Oh, we don't embarrass me.
Yep, we got.
They trying to be 30 and flirty and,
30 and clueless. 30 and clueless.
My comb.
So nice. Everyone keeps telling us to be safe, you guys.
They're trying to do right.
Try to do right by us. Till you do right by me.
Y'all saw Miley Cyrus singing that song?
Mm-mm.
Oh my God, I gotta show
Yeah, I
y'all.
think it's old though.
It
It's
is
like from a long.
Maybe I
We can walk. Yep.
Watch